Hello everyone, this is my review of the OnePix Pill Cutter Splitter. It has made pill splitting so much easier and safer for me. The first thing I noticed was how sturdy and well made it feels. The housing is solid and the hidden stainless steel blade looks like it's built to last. Using it is super simple. I just open the cutter, place the pill in the slot, and close the lid. The razor sharp blade makes a clean, precise cut every time, which gives me confidence that the dose is split evenly. That's especially important when I'm dealing with tiny pills or doses that need to be accurate. I also appreciate that this cutter can handle multiple pills at once. If I need to cut more than one pill, I don't have to do them one at a time and guess where the cuts should be. That saves time and makes the whole process feel more efficient. The design is comfortable to hold, and the blade is safely enclosed, so there's no worry about accidental cuts when I'm not using it. Cleanup is quick, I just wipe it out and it's ready for the next time. That simplicity makes it something I actually use regularly instead of letting it sit in a drawer. Overall, this pill cutter has made splitting pills easier, faster, and far more reliable. If you want a safe, adjustable, and precise cutter that works well even with small pills, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.